Hey everyone, about to take my 89 Charger bass boat out for the first run of the year. It's nothing special, but it does get up and go pretty good. Got a 150 horse Evinrude on it, the one that came originally on it, 89. 22 pitch stainless steel prop. It's an old boat, but only has about 95 psi of compression. I need to go ahead and rebuild the motor, but some odd reason it runs completely fine right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it out, and as long as it's good, I'll worry about rebuilding it next year. But it's nothing special. It's actually pretty quick for what it is. Hopefully you'll see that if I get it started and actually be able to run that. Like I said, I haven't ran it this year yet. This will be the first time I'm taking it out. Gonna do a little fishing. If I catch anything major, I'll show you guys. Otherwise, yeah, there's really no point. I'll try to put the camera so it captures the motor and the ride of it. But otherwise, yeah, just an 89 Charger bass boat with 150 horse on the back, I think it's 18.4 foot. But we'll see how she does.
I ain't rich, but I damn sure wanna be. Working like a dog all day ain't working for me. I wish I had a rich uncle that'd kick the bucket and I was sitting on a pile like Warren Buffett. I know everybody says money can't buy happiness, but it can buy me a boat. It can buy me a truck to pull it. It can buy me a Yeti 110 ice down with some silver bullets. Yeah, and I know what they say, money can't buy everything. Well, maybe so, but it can buy me a boat. They call me redneck, white trash, and blue collar, but I could change all that if I had a couple $1 million. I keep hearing that money is the root of all evil, and you can't fit a camel through the eye of a needle. I'm sure that's probably true, but it still sounds pretty cool, cause it could buy me a boat. It could buy me a truck to pull it. It can buy me a Yeti 110 ice down with some silver bullets. Yeah, and I know what they say, money can't buy everything. Well, maybe so, but it can buy me a boat to float down on the water with a beer. I hear the Powerball lotto is sitting on 100 mil. Well, that'll buy me a brand new rod and reel. And it can buy me a boat. It could buy me a truck to pull it. It could buy me a Yeti 110 ice down with some silver bullets. Yeah, and I know what they say, money can't buy everything. Well, maybe so, but it can buy me a boat. Yeah, and I know what they say, money can't buy everything. Well, maybe so, but it can buy me a boat. Yeah, it can buy me a boat.
Ride shotgun, buddy, I'll drive. Roll this one, we'll drink a little homemade wine. Hit a long dirt road, get some things off my mind. I need some country boy downtown. Small town boys need room to breathe. Life can dog, let's roll. I'm about to lose my mind. I need some country boy
I wake
downtown.
up early in the morning, breath stinking as I'm yawning. Just another sunny day in Baxter, Georgia. See my buddy call me up, said he's running kinda late. But no rush, man, cause I ain't going in today. Can you pick up my check when you get on a break? And holler at me, cuz, when you head this way. Nah, I ain't sick, I ain't feeling no pain. I might take the boat out, I hope it don't rain. I might catch me a fish, I might wash my truck. Hell, ride the four-wheeler, I ain't done it in months. Or build me a fire and cook what we call. Or empty out the cooler, cause I drank all about. Now it's shine time, talking about the good old days. And there's Uncle Doodle and his good old ways. We got the fire barrel glowing for most of the night. Can you smell the fat lighter? This country boy downtown.
You can ride shotgun, buddy, I'll drive. Roll this one, we'll drink a little homemade wine. Hit a long dirt road, get some things off my mind. I need some country boy downtown. Small town boys need room to breathe. Life can get rough and women can get mean. Call my dog, let's roll, I'm about to lose my mind. I need some country boy downtown. Quitting time, had enough, I'm about to lay low. Lot of folks like me just need a back row. Let the bow tie creep to a low speed. Feel that breeze, it's all G-double-O-D. Good beer stop by the river bank. Drop a tailgate and play some Mohang. Might sip a little bit and taste the edge off. Hit the deep woods, ride and try to get lost. Sometimes it's in your best bet to let your country hang out just like a redneck. Get loose, drink booze with friends, make use of them till it's you again. Oh. You can ride shotgun, buddy, I'll drive. Roll this one, we'll drink a little homemade wine. Hit a long dirt road, get some things off my mind. I need some country boy downtown. Small town boys need room to breathe. Life can get rough and women can get mean. Call my dog, let's roll, I'm about to lose my mind. I need some country boy downtown.
Country girl with them low-cut jeans on. Brahma Boo with my John Deere green on. Looking through these eyes with my Copenhagen smile. Ride on the boo, we can buck for a while. Yes sir, looking fine with them boots on. Let me buy you drinks all night till my loot's gone. Little country girl, Daisy Dukes cut so small. Need to leave the bar and take a ride on my farmhole. Or we can stay here sweating to the beat. And when you wanna cool off, swim in the creek. 10-4, baby, grab them reins. Back it up like my tractor, cutting them grains. Flannel shirt, pigtails, and them Wranglers on. Got the bull in the chute singing you this song. Yeah. Come on.
Ooh, little country girl, I like the way you shake it. Ooh, with the pigtails, girl, ain't no time to fake it. Dance with me, little country girl, don't make this cowboy shake.
Snuck up in the bar, red stag in my boots. Drop a red stash, watch the boo get loose. Got a Colt 45 strapped on my side. I ain't Merle Haggard, but my mama sure tried. She keep me alive to keep my boots tied tight. Too many Bud Lights and it's just another fist fight. Just a redneck can't tell us nothing. This start flying, females start ducking. Take a couple country boys, throw them in the crowd. Play some Johnny Cash, turn that song up loud. Yeah, I'm on a mission, keep the ladies wishing. And when it's too hot, take your ass out the kitchen. 10-4, hey y'all, when it's on. You know I got a fight night, dogs on the steak lawn. A porch honky, keep my glass filled up. Brahma Bull, mount up, legit buck. What? Let's go.
Ooh, little country girl, I like the way you shake.
Come on.
Ooh, with the pigtails, girl, ain't no time to fake.
Look out now.
Dance with me, little country girl, don't make this cowboy shake.
Yeah.
all scared to approach her, but not me. She got a BF, they ain't gon' stop me. The hottest thing since the sun, I promise. A couple crooked teeth and I will pay the orthodontist. May the best man leave holding hands. May the best man block Jones if he can. DJ swap songs and this is my jam. She said hell yeah when I asked her to dance. The beat dropped, she turned around and rocked it. By a second hook at my hands and